Yeah, your teacher's saying that you're misbehaving in class. Okay, we had a conversation about this already. This will be like the 10th time. When you get home, we're going to have to regroup and have a serious conversation. Why do you have your hood on when you know it's not allowed?
I want to keep my hood on.
Well,
like,
hun, you know that's against school policy. Take it off when you go back to class.
The most.
No, I'm not. You are, and you're gonna stop.
Always
your teachers is always complaining about you keeping your hood on in class.
She's lying. She's lying.
Hun, what do we say about calling people liars? That's not okay to say. Please take off your hood, okay? Hello? Hello? I'm not getting no okay. Hello?
Yeah, okay, all right. See you home.
Okay, love you.
Hey. Hello?
Me go kick in your face, girl. Be a kick up, me go give you in your face. So how comes all of a sudden you not have no behavior when you're there at school? You don't have no home training. You not brought up, see? Answer me!
No.
Don't back answer me. You think he's a big man? When you reach in a yard, you're going to see how big in this place, who run this place. And when you reach home, I want you open up your school book and show me everything you do in a class. No. If you don't show me your addition and your subtraction them, and you do them good, girl, I'm going to divide your ass in a two with me.